Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here, and I'm taking you all on a journey through Portugal's beautiful Algarve beaches. Before we start this adventure, please take a moment to hit that like button and leave a comment. Your support helps me out a ton. Here we go. I had the best time exploring this sunshine-filled area of Portugal. Our first stop on the Algarve beach tour was Praia da Felicia. With its stunning turquoise waters and its red cliffs towering into the sky, this beach had so much to offer. I love taking a dip in the crystal clear sea. The second beach I stopped at was Praia das Congas. This beach was equally as beautiful, with its white sand and bright blue sky. It was too beautiful for words. I even got a chance to try surfing, as the waves here were strong enough for even a beginner like me. The third beach I visited was Praia Faro. It was just as impressive, with its spectacular views of the city and the sea. The perfect place to watch the sunset. I could have stayed there all day. The fourth beach on my list was Praia do Carvoeiro. What really impressed me here was watching the sunset light up the sky. It was truly incredible. I also loved the rock formations here, which made for a great photo opportunity. The final beach in my Algarve beach tour was Praia da Roca. It was pure paradise, the perfect place to kick back, relax, and recharge. I could have spent an eternity there. To summarize, Portugal's Algarve beaches were some of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. And if you're looking for a beach holiday spot, I think the Algarve is definitely worth a visit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button one more time and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!